Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to my channel. To those that have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So last week I did analysis on natural gas, right? I told you guys that we will be having a bearish move the week, for this week of, the last week of, will I say January, right? I think it was, about 23, 23rd, right? I did analysis for the 23rd. I told you guys that we will be having a bearish move for natural gas, and now we've actually gotten this bearish move, so price has dropped. So I want you guys to have it in mind that there would soon be a change in direction of this natural gas. But once the change happens, I'm going to give you an update on that. So this is why I've created a Patreon account, right? So you can check it out. I'm going to give you, analysis that I believe that we are very much likely to hit it 70 to 90% of high probability trade is exactly what I'll be giving you. And if at the end of the month, when you subscribe, and if at the end of the month, which is at the end of February or so, something like that, if you've not gotten the value that I promised to give you, then all you have to do is just cancel your subscription. Like I said, I'm going to give you high probability trade for you to take, which I'm going to be putting on my Patreon. So I'll put the link below. Check it out if you are interested. And if you don't get the value that I promised, all you just have to do is just cut it off, cancel it, and go. And that is all right. So now to be able to predict this price on natural gas for this week, which is for the 30th of January till 3rd of February. First, we will start with the monthly time frame. A quick look at the monthly time frame. We can see that there is a massive drop. Now, take a look at this movement, right? So, natural gas came like this. Then there was a rejection at this level, right? Now another price has now dropped. You can see this massive move. So this was the month of December. Natural gas gave us a much bearish move in the month of December. We closed bearish. This is also the month of January. This month, right? Price has actually gone bullish and bearish. Sorry, by the way. So on Monday and Tuesday, which will be the last 2 days of the month of January, we should also expect a bearish move. So, like I said, there will be a pullback soon, right? Which I believe we should, have that pullback at 2.500, which it might even drop below more than that. It can even drop more than that, right? But let's see if in case there will be a pullback, we would have that pullback at a level of 2.500. By the way, I'm going to analyze it properly. I'm going to give you an update on the Patreon if you'd actually you actually subscribe to it. I'm going to give you an update on that. So have it in mind that natural gas will go bullish soon. Anyway, as at now, this price is still dropping. So basically, if you are to go ahead and trade with what we are seeing, then I think we should actually go ahead and drop on this, natural gas. Maybe till it gets to a level of 2.500. Maybe then there will be a reversal. So now let's go to the weekly time frame. We can see on this weekly time frame, there was a massive drop that you got here, right? And this is a pullback, right? So we can see that this is a massive drop. I mean, if you are a beginner or you are a new trader, you should have it in mind that where is the pullback for this? This is one of the reasons why I said watch out. We very much likely to even have it that February, so watch out for it. That I mean, if there is a massive drop, you should know that there should be like a bullish move as a pullback. So that is exactly why I said either we have it this week, is it that this week that I'm predicting for, is it that we have this natural gas that will give us a bullish move this week that we are predicting for, or next week, or next 3 week, or next 4 weeks, or in 6 weeks time. I'm going to give you an update when I get it. But now this price is still dropping, still trading below this 10 period simple moving average. Now down to the daily time frame, you can see that this price is still dropping. So if it should take a look at this drop, and this happens to be a pullback. This is another drop right now. Let's see if this pullback is play out finish. Once it play out finish, maybe that will maybe the final drop will happen. Maybe one more drop will happen, which may be the final drop. We don't really know now, but as long as the price continues to play out, we are going to tell if or not it will be the final drop. But first, a pullback is playing out first. And let's go to the 4 hour time frame. So I've highlighted this level. I told you guys that natural gas will drop to a level of 3.000, right? You can go back to confirm it. I think I did the analysis for the 26th, for the 26th of this, I think it was yesterday I did the analysis. I talked about natural gas hitting 3.00, right? And it actually got to that level. You actually you actually hit that level of 3.000 and it even broke below it. And I also said that if it hits that level and it breaks below it, then have it in mind that there will be a pullback. So this is the level that I said I'm watching out for, this pullback. So I'm watching out for a pullback of, let's say, 3.125. Let's see if that pullback plays out to a level of 3.125, then I think there will be a drop. Well, as time goes on, as the price continues to play out, I'm going to give you an update if the final drop will be made, or maybe price can just eventually start going bullish. Price can actually act crazy, right? It can't be 100% right, but I think once this movement comes like this, there would be a drop, right? So as the price continues to play, I'm going to watch it and watch the news that will be released and see if it will continue to go down or price will just start pushing up. On my Patreon account, I'm going to give you the updates there.